Hey guys, and I'm back. I'm gonna do this Wolf game, Timberwolf Triple Power. I really don't like this game to be honest because I usually never get into it, to be honest. Even though I said to be honest twice. But let me load up and see. It's so hard to do this stuff with one hand. Alright. I got my grapefruit juice here. I'm not gonna cheers to this machine because the last machine I cheered to didn't pay. Buffalo never, I wouldn't say never, but Buffalo doesn't do me well. Except for that one time. Paid me like $500 and I was very happy about that. But I'm gonna try low bets first. Let's see if we can get a bonus. Oh, double pop magic. That would have been so cool. Ooh. Oh, we got to get some volume. Yeah, why are you faking me out right now? Don't play with my emotions. Dang, it's super dead. Let me change that. What's going on? Calm down. Alright, where are these symbols? Alright, there's one. Ooh, two. $160. I got my bet back. Alright, free spin. Pop all three. Of course. Pop the first one. Yeah, pop it. Man, come on. Stop playing with me. I feel like it's so close. It's so close to popping. But it's just playing with my emotions right now. Alright. 320. And this is a reckless number for my budget right now. Did I get it? Of course not. You know how much anxiety I have right now because I'm trying to get this bonus? I've never opened this game before. Alright, that's 250. Oh no, it's not. It's more. Alright, it's 580. Alright, bonus. Oh, am I gonna get all three? Alright, what's going on? Okay, I'm getting two. Alright, did I get it? Alright, you're scaring me. Well, I'm getting $4. Hey, I'm getting more? Oh, I'm getting $8. All right, give me the sweats. Come on. I know I got it now, right? Oh my goodness. All right, we gotta change it up. Wait. I'll stay, but I'll go to this one. This one. I guess I didn't stay, but I need to do a lower bet because it's draining me fast. Let's hope I get it. That's why I don't like this game. This is why I don't like this game. $2. All right. Are you opening now? Oh, of course not. Ooh. $0.03. Double pop. All right, quit playing with me. I need this. I will feel defeated if I don't get this. Ooh. All right, you're gonna make me sick to my stomach. Come on. Oh. This is making me feel so bad. $5. Oh. Give me a line here. I don't think it's meant to be. Is it not meant to be for me? $4. Oh. It's making me so sad. Did I get it? Did I get it? No, he's just howling. Really? Quit faking me out. Bro, are we gonna just donate the whole 100 to them? Alright, I mean, that's gotta be it right there. Like, look how high it's powered up. It would have been really great if all of these were wolves. Alright, well, like, what if I won 60 on 1 cent? Is that gonna open it up? This give me better chances. Okay. The morale is down. It's so down. I'm chasing this so bad, guys. And I know I told you not to chase it, but I'm chasing it. I don't know why I had hope. I really don't. I literally did what I could do. Still didn't get it. This is ridiculous. Come on. If I was gonna be defeated today, I was gonna be defeated by the Wolf game. The Timberwolf triple power. Man, it keeps giving me line here, like giving me money and stuff, but I need the bonus. Where's the bonus, bro? Can I get a random bonus? Or they just want me to keep putting money in here? Magic spin? Absolutely not. And then that's all I can do is it's 80 cents now. Can't believe it let me get this far. I'm disgusted. There's two. Still didn't do anything. It didn't matter. Well, this is how you lose $100 in one sitting. Since you didn't have a get out number and you didn't think about getting up. Yeah, I'm kind of mad about this. Yep, the end, guys. Sorry.